So there are two sets here, S and T, and we're told that set T is a subset of set S, meaning all of the numbers in set T are also members of set S, but maybe set S has some more numbers, I don't know. We are talking about the ranges here, so as a reminder, the range of a set is the difference between the smallest and largest members of that set. So if the range of set S is X and the range of set T is Y, we can infer, without even going to the statements, that X is greater or equal to Y, because all of the members of set T are also members of set S, so the range for set S is at least as wide as the range for set T. Now the question is asking whether or not X is greater than Y. So again, we know that it's greater or equal to Y, but the question wants to know whether it's greater than Y. So what this comes down to is, can we guarantee that X is not equal to Y? Under what circumstances would X be equal to Y? That would happen if any extra numbers that S has on top of the numbers that T has, if all of the extra numbers that S may have fall within the existing range of set T, then X would equal Y, because the range of the larger set wouldn't be any greater or wider than the range of set T. But if any of the extra numbers in set S are outside of the range of set T, then X would be greater than Y. So that's really what we're trying to figure out here. Are all of the extra numbers in set S within the range of set T, or are some of them maybe outside of that range? So let's evaluate the statements right after this. So on their own, each statement just gives us the number of terms in each of the sets. We already knew that set S has at least as many numbers as set T, and even if we combine the statements, that just confirms what we already knew. We can say, if we combine the statements, that there's exactly one extra number, but we don't know whether or not that extra number is within the existing range of set T or outside of that range, and therefore the correct answer is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.